How to find TikTok Shop promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in TikTok Shop promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for TikTok Shop. So, go ahead and open any of it. I'm gonna open CouponFollow as this is the legit one. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for TikTok Shop. 45% off, $20 off, $100 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, click on it. You're gonna get the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on redeem at TikTok Shop. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account and use this code. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for TikTok Shop. Lastly, once you're in this website section, you can also try out other websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for TikTok Shop. So this is how you can easily find TikTok Shop promo code. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.